2 plus 2 is 4. Our new equation becomes 8 divided by 2. We're going to replace this bracket by a multiplication sign. That is 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. Now at this level, 2 multiplied by 4 is equals to 8. So our expression becomes 8 divided by 8, which is equals to 1. This is what many people are going to do, but this method is incorrect. This is incorrect. So we're going to erase this and we're going to take the good methods. So to solve a problem like this one, we have to use the order of equation called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Here, multiplication and division are of equal rank. So, whenever you have multiplication and division, we do the equation moving from the left to the right. The same thing for addition and subtraction. So, in this problem, we have to start first by the parentheses. So, we're going to erase this and put here PEMDAS parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So here we have to start first with the parentheses. This is number 1. We have to start with the parentheses. So 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. We're going to copy the expression 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. So next we follow with the exponent. There's no exponent here, so we don't have this. Next we follow with the multiplication. We're having a multiplication. This is it. We're also having a division. This is it. And remember, we said multiplication and division are having the same rank. So we have to do these operations moving from left to right. So at this level, we move simply from left to right. 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. We're going to take this down here. That's 4 multiplied by 4. And finally, 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. So this is the solution to this math problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.